Let's talk about DNA. What is DNA? It stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Break it down. Deoxyribose is the 5-carbon sugar found in its nucleotides, while nucleic acid means it's a vital macromolecule that stores, transmits, and expresses all our genetic information. Let's look at the structure. A DNA molecule is arranged in a double helix, made of 2 nucleotide strands. Each individual nucleotide consists of 3 basic components: a phosphate group, a sugar molecule, and a nitrogenous base like cytosine or thymine. How do they connect? Only complementary bases are able to pair up. Thymine always pairs with adenine through 2 hydrogen bonds, while guanine always pairs with cytosine through 3 hydrogen bonds. This specific pairing keeps the genetic code perfectly locked in place. This means if adenine doesn't find thymine, they simply won't bond. They fit together exactly like matching geometric puzzle pieces, and that is how the blueprint of life is built.